Welcome. In this video, I'll show you how to find private key in your Solflare wallet. All right, so first up, go ahead and open up the Solflare app. Okay, tap on it. And once it's opened, you're going to want to go to the top left. As you can see here, you have your main wallet. So just tap on it. Now, go ahead and find the wallet where you wanted to find or extract the private key. For example, right here, I only have one. So what I'm going to do is just go ahead and swipe left. Okay, again, swipe left. All right, let's go ahead and do that. Swipe left, tap and hold, swipe left. Now go ahead and tap on this pencil button or icon. Tap on it. And as you can see here, you have the copy address option, rename the background if you want to, export the recovery phrase, and finally, you have the export private key option. So what you'll do is just tap on it. Now, just basically tap on show, okay? And you will be able to see your private key. Okay, it's going to need you to sign in with your biometrics or passcode. Just go ahead and do so. And then as you can see here, you have the copy button. Okay, just copy it, save it in a safe place, and once done, paste it where it's needed, and you're good to go. I hope this video helps, and I'll see you in the next one.